Hi, here we have Ramesh and Gautam are among 22 students who write an exam. Ramesh scores 82.5. The average score of 21 students other than Gautam is 62, and the average score of all 22 students is one more than the average score of the 21 students other than Ramesh. The score of Gautam is how much? That's what we need to calculate. So let's say the score of Gautam is G. The average score of 21 students other than Ramesh is X. So score of Gautam is G and this is X. So the average score of 21 students other than Gautam is 62. Hence the total score of 21 students other than Gautam will be 21 into 62. And if you add Gautam's score to it, that will give you the total score of all 22 students. So T here is score of all 22 students. If this is T, then score of all 22 students will be Gautam's score plus the total score of all students except Gautam. Except Gautam, the average is 62, so the total will be 21 into 62. Let's say this is the first equation. Next we have the average score of 22 students is one more than the average score of 21. So total score of all 22 students will be Ramesh's score plus the score of others except Ramesh. Now average score of 21 students other than Ramesh is X. So score of these students except Ramesh will be 21 into X, and the total score will be 21 into X plus score of Ramesh. This is total score of students other than Ramesh, and if you add Ramesh's score, you'll get total score of all the students. Now we know Ramesh's score is 82.5, so we can write this as 82.5 here. Okay? And we also know that the average of all 22 students is one more than X. So if average is X plus 1 of all 22 students, so total score will be 22 into the average, which is X plus 1. So instead of T, we can substitute 22 into X plus 1 over here. So this becomes 22 into X plus 1, and this here becomes 22 into X plus 1. This is first equation, this is second equation. Okay? So if let's say we solve this, you have 22x minus 21 is x plus 22 is 82.5. So x here comes out to be 62.5. Sorry, not 82.5 minus 22 is 60.5. X comes out to be 60.5. Now what we need to calculate is Gautam's score. So if x is 60.5, let's substitute this value in the first equation. So we have 21 into 62 plus Gautam's score is 22 into 60.5 plus 1, which is 61.5. So here G will be 22 into 61.5 minus 21 into 62. So now we need to calculate the values of 22 into 61.5. So 22 into 61.5 will be 126, 127. So this will be 1353 minus 21 into 62. 21 into 62 is 1302. Right? So the difference between the two values, 1353 minus 1302 is 51. So Gautam's score is option B, 51. Thank you.